I'm on Jamaican shore fishing there, guys. Me and Dice out here. We had a look at wicked rainfall yesterday and we decided so we'll push out this morning and see if we can pick up 2 barra. I don't have any wire leads with me this morning, guys. I just got my mono lead. So I might end up losing the lure today. Let's hope not. Yeah, guys, so go outside in the morning, yeah, guys. Let's get over here on this side. Woof, woof. That's what I'm talking about. That's the tight water I'm looking for, guys, this morning. On barrow over there, so I'm gonna catch 3 times straight, you know? Huh? On barrow over there, so I'm gonna catch 3 times straight.
Catch him 3 times straight?
Yeah, and then get where?
Right here.
One big one over there, set a blood cleat. We run down my line about 10 pounds in the over there, and I can't over upon the Harmony Beach. Cast out, man, and retrieve, man. How do you do with that? Cast out and retrieve, brother. Cast out as far as you can and retrieve. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Right, as I catch a lizard fish today, no Dice. He send one hook through my fish. What? In big you the biggest lizard fish me ever catch in my life. Nothing else here, guys. I'll walk this cove. See what I can pick up in there. Clear. Send that out there. Barra. Got you. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, guys, look at this guy. I knew I was gonna get you. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Nice! Yeah, let me rest my rod. Yeah, I hit pretty good, guy. Well, I need to take a picture of you real quick. Yeah, I'm on Jamaican shore fishing, guys. We got this little guy. I'm going to throw him back most likely. On the blue, guys. Just get him up there good in that light. Calm down, buddy. Let's get you unhooked. I'm trying to get myself hooked today. Yeah, dogs. Yeah, right, you know. Yeah, getting these hooks out sometimes is a little task sometimes, guys, but at least you know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys. Small little barra. Look at them. Little guys, man. Yeah, we're gonna let them go and let them get bigger. Nice creatures, guys. Let me get a hold of him here. Let's see if I can get this lip grip tool out properly so I can safe release him. Yo! Barra! About 10 inches! Alright. Throw this guy back. Look at them Jamaican shore fishing. Beautiful, beautiful creatures, guys. This is how these guys, they change colors, guys. Let's get this guy back in the water. I'll get him a safe release. Jamaican shore fishing, you know us already, guys. Let's get him in there. Ah, he's off. Yeah, he's off, guys. He's okay. There you go. He's good. Let's make sure he's all right. He's off, guys. He's gone. Safe release. All right, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. That's what it's all about. This is what we love, guys. Yeah, man. Thank you guys for joining the channel, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that smash like button. Yes, peoples. Definitely a nice little vibes. Come out in the morning, get a little stretch out sometimes, relieve the stress, guys. Connect back with nature, connect back with this beautiful water, the beautiful sand, the air, the sky, just everything in ambience, guys. This is what it's all about, getting outside and getting out here and being one with nature. All right, guys, so thank you guys for joining us. Jamaican shore fishing, we are out here.